Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your daily midday market minute. We have a summer market on our hands here. Quiet action. Everybody's waiting for CPI data tomorrow. Got the ECB jobless claims as well as a 30-year auction. So big day tomorrow. It's been the focus since the start of the week. I want to cover real quick how we went outright bullish. I've had some questions coming into today. Outright bullish on the S&P and NASDAQ yesterday. And what does that mean? How am I trading that? Well, I didn't do anything differently yesterday because I went outright bullish and biased. It really confirmed the fact that we are already long and we want to stay long. In fact, the discretionary accounts we trade we've been long the NASDAQ since about 13,000. We've been talking about this. We really think the NASDAQ, the rebound's there, and the market's going to continue to go higher. We've been talking about how the Russell is been bullish. We've been trading that. We've been talking about different levels to buy there and trade that contract. The investment advisor side, we're fully allocated in stocks. It doesn't change the way that we positioned yesterday because we went outright bullish and biased. It confirmed the fact that we are staying long and going to stay long. But as a trader, if you're trading this, day trading it, look for the pullbacks into these support. Pick your spots. Don't chase the market. 42.06, 42.09 was major three-star support. That would have given you a great trading opportunity. So that in a nutshell is what we're talking about. This could be for a day trader. This could be for long-term positioning. Our research is how you digest it. Give us a call, though. We are here to help talk about anything. We're really here to help you digest it. So moving on, though, CPI data tomorrow. If it does beat a little bit, that's okay. We think that the market will still rally in relief of that because we think risk managers, portfolio managers, traders, they're more worried of a very hot number, 3.4% year over year. Core CPI is what's expected, an increase of 0.4 month over month. Something a little hotter than that is okay, as long as it's not 4% or another 9% increase. And then in the components, remember, used car sales and trucks, those prices were very high. That was a driver in that. So when those numbers are digested, that's also important. But for now, quiet markets, very constructive this week. We are bullish on equities. We remain bullish on equities. Looking at crude oil, pulling back here a little bit today. Big headline draw, the EIA numbers. But overall, it's going lower because the big build in more like 7 million barrels compared to the 5 million draw. And gasoline, the gasoline demand really wasn't there, but refinery utilization picked up huge week over week, and that explains that crude is getting drawn down to create those products. But really overall, it kind of also alludes to some tepid gasoline demand, and gasoline has been supposed to be the bellwether this time of year. Overall, we like crude oil. This pullback should be a buying opportunity. Let's see this thing consolidate a little bit. A consolidation is very healthy. Other markets moving, though. Treasuries continue to move higher. Looks like other people out there believe us that this is peak inflation here right now. So or really not necessarily here today, but overall over the next 30 days, and then we could see deflation on our hands when you start getting some of those lower base numbers or improving base numbers from last year, and then the pace that we're seeing inflation increase month over month cannot be sustained. That's where our head is, and we think that's going to be bullish on the metals, bullish on treasuries coming out of this. We've been using the treasuries a little bit of hedge on the metals as we remain bullish. Gold, silver, try moving higher today. They couldn't really break out. They got slapped back down. Platinum really looking not so pretty. Copper consolidating. The dollar index was lower. It did move up into green territory on the day. It's pressed others, the yen, euro, other currencies against the dollar, pressed them lower in the session. All heading into CPI tomorrow. Everything's really consolidated. Don't hesitate to give us a call. Our trade desk is here, 312-278-0500. Remember, though, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors.